Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday morning, June 26, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. NeuroSense inches closer to pharma partnership as Canadian regulatory progress turns heads. NeuroSense Therapeutics has completed a key pre-submission meeting with Health Canada for its ALS drug Prime C, potentially paving the way for fast-track approval in Canada. The positive outcome could also advance negotiations for a partnership with a global pharma player. With strong Phase 2b data and the potential for $100 to $150 million in revenue from the Canadian market alone, this milestone could be a catalyst for regulatory progress and investor interest. NeuroSense may be on the brink of a significant development in its ALS drug journey, attracting attention from the market and potentially setting the stage for accelerated approval and a major partnership.
This $13 million biotech has $40 million in Pentagon funding. Here's why. BiomX could be biotech's best-kept secret. BiomX Inc., a biotech company trading at just below a $13 million market cap, has secured $40 million in non-dilutive funding from the U.S. Defense Health Agency. Administered through the Naval Medical Research Command, this Pentagon backing has enabled the company to advance its bacteriophage therapies without typical shareholder dilution. BiomX's recent Phase 2 dance trial results showed statistically significant reductions in ulcer size and significant improvements in ulcer depth and area expansion. With addressable markets of $2.5 billion for diabetic foot infections and $1.6 billion for cystic fibrosis, BiomX's commercial opportunity is vast. Analysts project potential upside of approximately 2,800 to 2,900%, highlighting a significant valuation gap compared to peers like Armata Pharmaceuticals. As BiomX progresses towards Phase 2-3 trials and awaits Phase 2b results, its unique position in addressing both military and civilian needs could make it a key player in combating antibiotic-resistant infections.
ABVC BioPharma CEO Dr. Uttam Patil recognized among elite Indian-origin CEOs making global impact in science and technology. ABVC BioPharma CEO Dr. Uttam Patil was recently featured on Biotech Orbit, highlighting his leadership in developing ABV 1504, a botanical antidepressant candidate with no suicidal ideation side effects. This innovative approach could revolutionize the treatment of major depressive disorder. Under Dr. Patil's guidance, ABVC BioPharma aims to lead in the growing global markets for MDD and ADHD treatments, as well as the botanical drug market. With a strong pipeline of drugs and partnerships with renowned research institutions, the company is poised for significant growth and impact in the biopharmaceutical industry.
Gilead Sciences Inc. proudly supports Unite for HER's metastatic breast cancer sustainer program. Gilead Sciences Inc. proudly supports Unite for HER's metastatic breast cancer sustainer program, providing integrative care for Black, Hispanic, and underserved metastatic breast cancer patients in the U.S. Through this program, patients can access acupuncture, counseling, nutrition support, fitness memberships, and more at no personal cost. Since its launch in 2023, the program has supported over 2,800 patients. Gilead Sciences funding has enabled a new initiative focused on supporting marginalized communities. To learn more about this program and Unite for HER's free services, visit uniteforher.org. San Francisco Dental Implant Center announces updated page for single tooth replacement. San Francisco Dental Implant Center proudly announces an updated page for single-tooth dental implants. Dr. Alex Rabinovich emphasizes the importance of addressing single-tooth loss to prevent further oral health issues. Dental implants can help restore balance in the mouth and mitigate future tooth loss. the clinic team offers consultations for Bay Area residents to discuss tooth replacement options. The loss of one tooth can lead to gum disease, shifting teeth, and bone density deterioration. Schedule a complimentary consultation with an oral surgeon at sfdentalimplants.com/consultation to learn more about single tooth replacement surgery.
Ourian Plastic Surgery announces review milestone for liposuction in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, and West Hollywood. Ourian Plastic Surgery in Beverly Hills, California, has achieved a new milestone with over 80 positive Google reviews for liposuction services. Patients from Los Angeles, West Hollywood, and the greater Los Angeles area have praised the clinic for excellent patient care and phenomenal results. Dr. Ariel Ourian, a double board-certified plastic surgeon, expressed gratitude for the community's feedback. The clinic specializes in a variety of plastic surgery procedures for both men and women, including liposuction options for men, such as gynecomastia correction. Individuals interested in liposuction can explore awake liposuction, a local anesthesia option to remain aware during the procedure. Residents in areas like West Los Angeles and West Hollywood may also consider additional cosmetic procedures like an arm lift after liposuction. With a focus on exceptional care and transformative results, Ourian Plastic Surgery continues to help patients achieve their aesthetic goals and enhance self-confidence. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.